How to delete your Melbet account. Well, there is no exact way to delete your account by yourself. You do need to contact support. Well, simply scroll down to the very bottom till you see the About Us section. Right here, you can see something called as About Us. Right under Melbet, click on About Us right now. And once you do that, something like this will open up. From here, simply click on Contacts. And this is it. Now from here, what you need to do is simply enter your name right here along with your email address. Then in the message section, write I want to delete my Melbet account. Along with that, enter your account number. Once you've written something like this, simply click on this checkbox right here and just hit on send. That way, the customer support will contact you and you will be able to delete your Melbet account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Until next time, thank you.